In this question, different samples of substances are given. We have to identify the one which has same number of molecules as that in 1 gram of hydrogen gas. In order to find out the number of molecules, first of all we need to know the number of moles of the substance. If mass is given, number of moles can be calculated by using the equation mass divided by molar mass. After calculating the number of moles, we can calculate the number of molecules by multiplying number of moles with Avogadro number, that is 6.022 into 10 raised to 23. 1 gram of hydrogen gas is taken here. Now let's find out the number of molecules present in this 1 gram hydrogen gas. For this one, we can calculate the number of moles, that is equal to 1 by 2. Molar mass of hydrogen is 2 grams. Now the number of molecules will be equal to 1 by 2 into Avogadro number, that is 0.5 Na or Avogadro number. Now let's come to the options given here. The first one is given as 14 gram of nitrogen. The molar mass of nitrogen gas is 28. So number of moles will be equal to the given mass 14 divided by molar mass 28. That is 0.5 moles. Now the number of molecules is equal to 0.5 into Avogadro number. And the second sample is 18 gram of water. The molar mass of water is 18. So the number of moles will be 18 by 18, that is equal to 1 mole. Now the number of molecules will be 1 into Avogadro number. The third one is 16 gram of carbon monoxide. Carbon monoxide has the molar mass 28. So the number of moles will be 16 by 28, that is equal to 4 by 7 moles. Now the number of molecules is equal to 4 by 7 into Avogadro number. The last species is 28 gram of nitrogen, that is 1 mole, and the number of molecules is 1 into Avogadro number. So from these options, the one which has the same number of moles as that of 1 gram of hydrogen gas is first one, that is 14 gram of nitrogen gas. So from these options, option A is the correct one.